Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a very lightweight but comfortable shoe, check these ones out from EvinTer. What I love about these is that they are so light that it feels like you're not wearing anything. They're super comfortable and flexible. They have a nice stretchy elastic around the ankle, so that's really comfortable too. I wear these with socks, without socks. I especially like to wear them when I'm exercising. So whether that be on the treadmill or the trampoline or just doing weights or whatever, these are my go-to shoes. They come in all sorts of colors. This one is white. It has some gray accents, really neutral, which I like, but they have all sorts of options. These are lace up, so of course you can tighten them. I got my regular size 9 and they fit very comfortably. I have extra room to spare, so they're not tight. I also love that these are super affordable, so they're just a really great option all around. So if you're also looking for an athletic shoe that will get you through your workouts and be super comfy, then I think you'll love these ones, and that's my point of view.